Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's, aka the Crazy Country Couponer. And we've got some last minute fantastic deals that you want to know about, and I'm going to tell you about. So come on in, please like and share the video on your way. If you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you take this time right now and subscribe. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Yeah, make sure all your notifications are on, that little bell, and that way you won't miss anything like this. Alright guys, last minute deals. Just like before, going to try to make it quick as possible. That's almost impossible for me. Yeah. We've got a $2 earn on the on this $2.90 ice cream. I'm sorry, $2.60 ice cream. That is on sale 2 for $4, okay? So, this is, all this kind of works together, guys. We're going to pick up 5 of these because you can use up to 5 of these on this earn. And 5 of these is $10.90. Yeah. And you're going to get back how much? $10, guys. Yeah, you're going to get back $10. That means you're going to pay 90 cents for 5 of those 14-ounce Oreo ice creams. Alright? Put those in your freezer. Use them for Thanksgiving. Yeah, make you a Oreo ice cream cake. Or pie. The pie one is really simple. Let the ice cream get soft. Get you a graham cracker crust. Put that softened ice cream in that graham cracker crust and throw that bad boy back in the freezer. And then when you take it back out, throw some whipped cream on it and cut it while it's still frozen. And there is your non-traditional Thanksgiving dessert. And it's almost free. Or free enough for me, guys. Now, let's put this in a really quick scenario. Do you remember the 3 macaroni and cheese we talked about in a previous video? If you're new, go back and check some of our videos. Excuse me. It is this macaroni and cheese right here. That also has $2 earns. And you can use up to 3. So we're going to pick up 3 of these. And they are $3.50. So that's going to be $10.50. And you're going to get 6 back in earns. And lastly, we're going to pick up the Bounty paper towels because we've got a $2 off coupon on the Bounty paper towels. You're at $27. You got $7 in coupons coming off, leaving you $20 out of pocket, but you're going to be getting $16 back. That's a final out of pocket of $4, guys, and $16 to buy you anything you want in the Dollar General. Yeah. Now, we also have this new save $2 on any 2 Breyers products. So, it doesn't give any eligible products. So, we're just going to have to scan for this one, guys. Now, this is our next earn one. We've got $2 earns off the Kinder Egg multi-packs. They are $5.50 a piece. We're going to pick up 4 of those for $22. You're going to earn back 8. Then you're going to add the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, and it ranges from $3.25 to $4, and you're going to get back $3 on that. And you're at $25.25, so keep a close eye on that subtotal. You may need to add a little something if something is even cheaper, okay? So you've got $8 coming off. That's $17.25 out of pocket, and $8 in earns coming back to you. That is $9.25 final out of pocket for 17 items, guys. Because those Kinder Eggs are multi-packs, and we know how much the Kinder Eggs are for each egg. So we can count the individuals. Now, if you do both of these transactions by using either 2 different accounts or using a 5 off 25 paper and a digital 5 off 25 in 2 separate transactions, you're looking at a total out-of-pocket of $13.25. You're looking at $24 coming back to you in earns that you can spend on anything you want at Dollar General, like more food items. or stock up stuff or Christmas items, but $24 is going to be stuck in your spend account. And lastly, we got a new Kellogg's coupon, and the Kellogg cereal's on sale, 3 for 6. It's $1 off 3, so it's 3 for 5 on Kellogg's, guys. That's an awesome deal. Include that in one of your scenarios. Alrighty. Blessings. We'll talk again real soon. Go earn you some money so you can spend it later at the Dollar General.